Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we'll bring to life one of the most iconic characters from horror history, Freddy Krueger. But don't worry, our version is way more fun than scary. A vintage-style cartoon twist that's perfect for Halloween. Let's start by sketching the eyes large and expressive with thick outlines and that playful grin showing all his teeth. Freddy Krueger first appeared in the classic A Nightmare on Elm Street movie back in the 80s and quickly became one of the most recognizable horror villains ever. His striped sweater and bladed glove are legendary, and that fedora? Instantly recognizable. Draw Freddy's big cartoonish head. Keep it slightly stretched with rounded edges to fit that classic retro style. Next, add his fedora hat tilted slightly to one side. Make sure it feels loose and casual. Interestingly, his red and green sweater was chosen because that color combination is harder for the human eye to process, making him subtly unsettling on screen. But here in Davi Toons Club, we're turning him into a funny retro cartoon version. Still mischievous, but now super charming. If you're enjoying this Halloween special, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming cartoon tutorials. Now for the body. Just the upper torso popping through a wall or background circle, as if he's breaking into the frame. And a few more interesting facts. The idea for Freddy came from real newspaper stories about people dying in their sleep after having nightmares. Robert Englund, the actor who played Freddy, spent about 3 hours in makeup every filming day to become the terrifying dream demon. When drawing his glove, exaggerate the claws, long, shiny, and a little bendy to match the cartoon aesthetic. Don't stress about symmetry. Imperfections make it look more hand-drawn and alive. Use flowing, wavy lines for his striped sweater to make it feel dynamic. If any step feels tricky, don't hesitate to pause the video and take your time. No rush at all. And if you'd like, you can customize the background with your own colors or add a fun speech bubble for Freddy. Here are some color suggestions for you to use. Use light pink for the skin, red and dark green for the sweater stripes, brown for the hat and glove, cream for the other hand, and a bright blue background with an orange flame-like border for that vintage cartoon punch. And here he is! I hope you had fun sketching this funny version of Freddy Krueger with me. Got any character ideas for the next spooky drawing? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I'd love to bring your favorite tunes to life. Keep practicing, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video right here at Davi Toons Club.